This game you can play as a competition also between 2 or more people. You can use timer and check how many points you have earned in 1 minute, and the person who has more points wins. Put in number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 2. Number 4. Number 1. Yay! It is not just a fun game that looks easy and simple, but really challenging for kids. These games help children develop concentration, focus, precision, self-control, and a lot of patience. If you think there are any other skills that develop in kids through this game, then please feel free to mention it in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, do like the video, share and subscribe the channel for more such educational videos. Thank you.